When working with any kind of wirings, first start by unplugging your grill. Underneath the hopper you will see two red wires that are connected through bullet connectors. They will have a clear green plastic on them. Go ahead and disconnect those. On previous models with the serial numbers below 1031000, we have had a set screw and a clip to hold these igniters in place for shipping purposes. If you have one of those, disconnect the screw or clip so the igniter is free to slide back through the igniter tube and under the hopper. On newer models above serial number 1031000, the igniter must be removed from the firepot side. For all models, the igniter will be replaced through the firepot, as they have a built-in stopper on the igniter rod. Push the leads through the igniter tube and connect the bullet connectors underneath the hopper. The leads are non-polar, so it doesn't matter which way you connect them. The igniter rod should stick about 3/4 of the way into the firepot. One way to use the grill without the igniter is to perform a hot start. First, take about 1/4 cup's worth of pellets and put them into the firepot. Take a torch and heat up those pellets. You're going to want to char them pretty well. Now, instead of hitting the up button like normal, hold down the up button for about 10 seconds until you see a temperature reading. This will turn on the fans in the auger and the grill will take over from there. The grill will go up to 150 degrees just like normal, and you can turn the temperature up from there.